Hi everyone, welcome to OIT speaking class. Today we can discuss an OIT role play. Here the setting is a community health clinic. A young woman, the mother of 3 children, has come to the clinic and tells you she has just discovered her eldest daughter has head lice. She is upset and embarrassed and assures you she always washes the children's hair regularly. She has no experience in dealing with the situation as it has never happened before. Here the setting is a community health center, so we can start our conversation by saying, "Good morning. My name is Sarah. I'm one of the registered nurses working in this community health center. How may I address you?" Here the name is Mrs. Maria. Then we can continue. "Mrs. Maria, how can I help you today?" Probably the mother may say you, "Sister, I'm here for my child. I have just discovered my elder daughter has head lice and I am really upset and embarrassed." In that situation, we need to reassure the mother. We can say, "I understand that this problem worrying you a lot. There is nothing to be alarmed. We have particular treatment for this problem so we can effectively manage this head lice infestation." Then we can ask questions. We can say, "Before proceeding further, can I ask you something related to your child's problem?" Probably the mother will allow you to ask questions. Then we can continue. "Does she go to kindergarten or school?" The mother may reply like, "Yes, she goes to kindergarten. But I always wash my daughter's hair and I have never encountered this problem before." Then you can say, "Mrs. Maria, I understand that you have taken all the hygienic measures, but I would like to tell you that even with all these measures, still there are chances that head lice can occur. You know, it's a common problem in children of this age group. Personal hygiene has nothing to do with getting head lice and it's a contagious. That means it can spread from one child to another. Probably there may be someone in the school might be having head lice. When they play together, it can spread to your child. Are you following me?" Then the mother may ask you next questions like, "Sister, could you please explain about the treatment for this problem?" And she may say, she may say she likes natural remedies as she doesn't like chemicals. At that time, we can reply, all right, Miss Maria, try not to worry. I can provide you head lice comb that will be helpful for you. You can manually remove the head lice with this comb. Along that, I suggest you to apply a herbal product with natural ingredients which you can buy from the pharmacy. You can apply that also. You can apply this lotion on your child's hair and comb the hair before shower. Repeat this process once or twice. I assure you that with this herbal product along with regular combing, you can effectively manage your child's hair lice problem within 1 week. Is that clear? Then the mother may ask you questions like whether the siblings also infected or not. In that situation, we can say, there are chances it can spread to other members of the family. Usually it spread when they play or work together, so it's really important to check the whole family and treat at the same time. Is that clear? Then you can continue. "One more thing I would like to tell you that please inform her school nurse because there are chances that other children are also get infected. Because when they play together, the head lice can spread from direct head to head contact. So it would be really beneficial for the other children." Then you can wind up by saying, "Do you have any other concerns?" Then the mother may ask you, "Sister, is it come back again?" At that time we can say, "Mrs. Maria, I can understand your anxiety. I would like to tell you that once all the hair lice has come out of the hair, still there are chances of getting this infestation again, so that you just monitor whether she has head lice or not. You can also comb her hair morning and evening. In that way we can find out whether she has infestation again or not." Is that clear? Then, as per our last task, we can say, Mrs. Maria, I will provide a leaflet from here which contains detailed information about head lice treatment and how to control it. That will be helpful for you. Is that okay? Then you can wind up by saying, I hope I have cleared all your concerns. If you need any more help, please contact me at any time. Thank you, Mrs. Maria. Thank you.